Okay, now this is the 47th question from H.C. Verma exercise of topic kinematics. So it is said that a swimmer wishes to cross the river which is 500 meter wide. So let us suppose this is the river and the width of this river is 500 meter. And here say this is the river water and this river water is flowing with some speed which is given. So the velocity of river water is 5 kilometer per hour. Say in I cap direction, let us suppose I have taken along the river as x-axis and perpendicular to the river as y-axis in the plane of water. So that's why I have taken 5 I cap. Now the velocity of a swimmer with respect to water means velocity of swimmer minus velocity of water is 3 kilometer per hour and is heading at an angle theta. So I can say, so it will be like 3 cos theta and 3 sin theta. Let us say it is heading 3 at an angle theta. So I will write this as 3 cos theta I cap plus 3 sin theta j cap. So the velocity of swimmer comes out to be 3 cos theta I cap plus 3 sin theta j cap, and this minus will go there, it becomes plus and it becomes 5 I cap because velocity of water is 5. So the velocity of swimmer in water is 3 cos theta plus 5 I cap plus 3 sin theta j cap. Okay, so like this. Now how much time the river will take to cross? So along y-axis, that is 500 meter. So I can say the time will be equal to distance upon speed. So the displacement in y direction is 500 meter, that is 0.5 kilometer, divided by velocity in y direction is 3 sin theta kilometer per hour. So this kilometer get cancelled. 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2, so it becomes 1 upon 6 sin theta r. So if I write this r into minute, so 1 hour is nothing but 60 minute. So the time taken will be equal to 10 upon sin theta minute. So this is the answer for the first part. Now for the second part, we need to find the shortest possible time to cross the river. So there are two cases now. Time taken will be shortest if velocity of swimmer with respect to water is 3 j cap. That is the swimmer crosses the river with 3 kilometer per hour relative to water straight. So in that case, time taken will be equal to distance. So the displacement in this direction is 500, that is 0.5 kilometer upon time, which comes out to be 1 upon 6 hour. So it will be 60 upon 6 in minute. So answer comes out to be 10 minute. Or the other method is, as in general we have got time as 10 upon sin theta minute in the previous example, this one. So obviously the time will be minimum. So time will be minimum if sin theta is maximum. Okay, and the maximum value of sin theta is 1. So therefore the minimum value of time comes out to be 10 minutes. So in either way you can do this. Okay, thank you.